Hey guys! As we are known for sharing some of the latest gadgets and brilliant technologies which really helps you to enhance your lifestyle. This is an era of technology. Sharp-minded people are inventing something daily which proves to be really helpful for all of us. It is said that technology makes your life simple and easy. Today, we are here with a list of gadgets which not only makes your life easy and interesting, but makes you fit also. So let's check out though. All the items on the list are really helpful and can make our daily life really awesome, but yes, wait for the last one. This is really very unique, attractive, and latest on the list. So here we go. Number 1. Hi-Fit Home Gym. Yes, as we know, fitness is very important for everyone, but in this era when people don't have much time to go out for a workout, we got this item for you. The gadget is not only easy to use, but also portable, and so portable that you can have it in your home or you can take it with you during travel to another place. This just fits like a briefcase and lighter in weight, and you can use it for a long time. By buying this gadget, you can save yourself thousands of dollars every year on the gym because now the gym is in your home. You can do a workout of the upper body as well as the lower body. The gadget is a perfect fitness package. The lightweight and compact design of the gadget makes it more versatile so that you can make a gym anywhere. Even if you're a professional wrestler or bodybuilder, then also you can buy this. It has a great impact on your body and has a big list of a happy and satisfied bunch of customers. Next gadget on our list is number 2, Go Plus Folding Treadmill. If you love to work out on a treadmill, but fail to do so because of its size and place for a home, then this gadget will solve all your problems. This one is really tremendous for you people. It has a pre-installed motor as well. The folding nature of the gadget will help you to place anywhere in your home or even in your working place. This has a smart display which gives all your required data. You can watch calories burnt during the workout and manage your time according to that. If you love to watch a video on your smartphone along with your workout, then this is really helpful in that also. It has a stand in front of a screen where you can fix your smartphone so you can enjoy all your favorite music or shows while you're working out. The treadmill can produce a maximum speed of 14 kilometers per hour, which is awesome. It has a 2 horsepower DC motor. It has a built-in Bluetooth and aux input so you can connect your mobile device to this treadmill. Our next gadget is number 3, Unplug. If you are a smartphone user, then this gadget is for you. It is very user-friendly and helps you to remove the unwanted apps which distract you during your working hours. This gadget is so small, it just looks like a pen drive. You have to connect it with your phone by just inserting it through its port. Then, select those apps that distracts you and you can just close them. After selecting all the apps, now just remove the gadget and that's it. Your work is complete. The gadget will turn off all the recommendations, ads, or any type of notification. This is very useful for those that get irritated because too many of those useless notifications and ads. If you're really among them, then you must really try this gadget. Guys, next on our list is number 4, Sennheiser Earbuds CX400BT. If you're a music lover and love to listen to music a lot in good quality sound, then trust me guys, this gadget is must buying for you. The gadget comes with a superb quality of sound which it gives. This gadget is going to give you perfect control over exceptional sound experience on music. The long battery life and a design made for all-day comfort. This is going to be an uncompromised choice for people that are passionate about quality sound. The 20 hours of backup battery, 7 hours on a single charge, and a further 13 hours with the sleek, small, and beautiful case makes it a perfect choice for music lovers. The build quality and design are really appreciable and attractive as well. The weight of the earbuds is just 6 grams each, and you won't even feel like you're wearing them. Next gadget on our list, number 5, Timebirds Workout Timer. In this era of fitness awareness and busy schedules, people have to be very punctual, otherwise it may hamper their workouts. In the last several years, Many athletes and people who are doing workouts were looking for a timer which should display time and work as a stopwatch for their sessions. This gadget is a must-have for all those people. It has a large digital LED display which contains alarm, snooze, temperature display, and night mode. It consists of rechargeable batteries with Type-C charger support. The slim and sleek design makes it easily portable and can be carried in pockets, and its large screen is big enough for your workouts. 5 workout modes, depending on your requirement and level of intensity. This will save power so that your battery can last long. Made with durable material, this promises to last longer. If you want to give a gift to your friend or close one, then this will be a perfect choice. It looks awesome and will give you a perfect look in your gym. You will really love the fine finish and compact design of this gadget. Ladies and gentlemen, next on our list is an interesting gadget. Number 6. LF2 AR Projector. This is a perfect combination of 3 things, which are projector, camera, and computer, all in one. All these 3 combinations together creates magic. Use this to add digital art and virtual objects to your space. The gadget projects structured light gray code pattern that are captured by the 4K camera. The patterns appear for 30 seconds and creates the depth estimate map. The LF2 makes a projector resolution depth estimate map, fills in the holes, and wirelessly transfers the data back to your laptop within 1 minute. It has a long lifespan. The LED light engine has a lifespan of 30,000 hours. That means it will run for 8 years if used 10 hours daily. So no need to worry about maintenance or bulb replacements. It has a full HD camera and has a 1.8 GHz quad-core ARM Cortex-853 processor, which is really impressive. The 20 GB storage also makes it a perfect priority gadget. It is very light in weight, just approximately 5 pounds, so makes it ideal to carry or even use at your home. Here comes last, but not the least, as we always give something very special in the end. The time is for the same. The last gadget in this list is from Marvel. Amazing as well. Yes, this is from Marvel, the Iron Man drone head. Yes, it is. Number 7. Tello Iron Man drone. One of the favorite characters of Marvel movies. The drone flies like the superhero Iron Man. This is not just a simple drone. It can be programmed according to your requirement. Whatever you require, you can program it according to the available options. The gadget will help you to explore the whole world of the Avengers. The learning guide booklet will help you to make maximum fun from this. It is supported by superb flight technology for safety. Some brilliant features like low battery protection and propeller guards ensure that the gadget safety technique is appreciable. These features will help you to take on missions without fear. The drone consists of creative features like 360 throw and go and 8D flips, making flying very easy. The flight mode provided by the heroic feats will save the day. It has a 5 megapixel camera and Intel processor with stabilization. The drone with 720p HD transmission, 5 megapixel photos, and electronic image stabilization will give it a great advantage over foes. With flight for 13 minutes and a 100-meter maximum distance, makes exploring new perspectives fun. As it was told, this drone is programmable, so you can program like Tony Stark himself. So guys, here is the end of the list. Please comment about which item you love most. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for such type of interesting gadgets.